guys and girls, I hope you all are doing great amidst this pandemic and keeping yourself and your family safe. Okay, so this is going to be another SFX video and I just could not keep calm. I'm just so delighted to do every SFX video I do on the channel. And today the thing will be like, you know, the sketching SFX, the sketching effect SFX. Yeah, that's what it is. And yes, if you haven't understood till now, nothing need to worry about that. You need to just watch the video till the end. So come on, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before I begin, let me tell you this, that I've already done my base. Like, I've used my foundation, concealer wherever needed, and a setting powder. I've used a compact powder this time. So my base is done, and I will be doing this one particular face first, one section first, where I have to give this effect. This is a white canvas or a white piece of paper, and I've drawn my features. So for that I'll be using a white face paint. The link is set in the description below from where I've purchased it, so please just check it out. And come on, let's begin. Take white over here, over here, over here. I definitely go with by taking little and just gradually blend it with a baby sponge or blender. If you have a brush, you can go with that too, no problem. Okay, so I know I look like a curves, but that's where the part is. Now I will be going on to set with the setting powder. Okay, so now I'm done setting it with the setting powder. It will sit good on my skin, and I'll move on to the sketching section. Okay, now I'll be using the very same face and body paint palette. I'll be using that black color, this black color. With the brush, it came along with it. I'll be taking it, keeping the excess, making it more sharp, and just draw the strokes. Better. Okay, now so this particular section is almost done. Now my lips are left, but I'll be doing it at the very end. Now looking to this particular side. This will be a normal, you know, like maybe a wing liner and bold lipstick. That's it. Nothing too much. Okay, that's it. Like, it's almost done. I need to do certain things, and we're back in just a second. This is the complete look of my this sketch SFX effect. And yes, if you liked it and you watched it till the end, please, like, I'm literally humble, thank you so much for it. And yes, do show me your support by subscribing to my channel, and yes, give it a big fat thumbs up and also share it to everybody. We'll be seeing you guys in the next video of mine on Monday. Till then, stay good, stay safe, bye.